Okay, I'll just show you how to set a sat nav in this Audi Q5 from any screen. You've got nav here, so onto nav, the rotary switch in the center. These 4 buttons here correspond to the whatever it says in the corner there, tour, destination, settings. So we want destination, which is that one, click there. Address, last destination, special destination, start, map, favorites. So onto address, click the center of the rotary control, and previous owners obviously set it to come to see us. So we'll click on town and postcode, and then rotary control goes through the alphabet. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, P. Oops, just click sideways. Then we need to go to numbers. Numbers are in the bottom right hand corner, so we click 0 to 9, and it's 5, 4. It's defaulted back to the alphabet, J, S. I find the rotary system easier than the QWERTY keyboard. I still haven't got my head around that yet. I can never remember where the letters are, and that's it. So just navigate to start route guidance, click in the center.
Your route is being calculated. Please make a U-turn if possible.
It's telling me to do that because I'm sat on the forecourt. But anyway, so there it shows you the directions, and in the dashboard here in the center it tells you your next turn, so you don't have to you don't have to look away from the road really. So that's how to set the sat nav.